Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 8125 starting watt portable gas generator is a robust power solution designed for both home backup and recreational vehicle (RV) use. This generator stands out with its impressive power output, capable of starting larger appliances and providing a dependable energy source during outages or when you're off the grid. With 8125 starting watts and 6750 running watts, it effortlessly powers essentials like refrigerators, air conditioners, and even tools, making it versatile for various applications. One of the standout features of this generator is its portability. Weighing around 130 pounds, it comes equipped with sturdy wheels and a foldable handle, allowing for easy transportation. Whether you're using it for tailgating or preparing for a power outage, moving the generator is a breeze. The generous 7.2-gallon fuel tank offers an extended runtime of up to 11 hours at 50% load, ensuring that you won't be constantly refueling. The generator operates with a low-tone, quiet engine, which is a significant improvement over many competitors. While it's not silent, it's relatively unobtrusive, making it suitable for residential areas and camping sites alike. Additionally, the user-friendly control panel features multiple outlets including 120V and 240V, providing flexibility for different devices. Safety features are also well thought out. The built-in circuit breaker and low-oil shutdown prevent damage, ensuring longevity and reliability. One minor drawback is the absence of an electric start. You have to rely on the recoil start, which may not be as convenient for everyone. Overall, the Generac 8125 starting watt portable gas generator is an excellent investment for those needing reliable power. Its combination of power, portability, and safety features makes it a standout choice for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether you're dealing with an emergency situation or simply enjoying outdoor activities, this generator provides peace of mind and dependable service.